Judge, typically what we have been doing for similar circumstances is the delayed sentence, like you had just said.
So a fine and a delayed sentence, right?
Correct.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, that's the reason why I asked you to zoom in to get us an understanding on what that's what you asked. You're more than welcome to stay, but if you need to go, you're free to leave. Well,
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
A great day. All right. So the offer today at this time would be to allow you to plead straight up as charged. I'll fine you $240. I'll take it under a 3-month delayed sentence, and I'll dismiss it immediately upon payment. However, and I'll dismiss the other no insurance charge as well. If you want to take it to trial, you can take it to trial, or you can speak with the House Counsel, Mr. Glenn, and maybe he can give you some insight on trying to move forward or what you should do, or you can tell him now, Mr. Glenn.
Well, if they're offering you a delayed sentence, it's not going to get better than that, so you should take it.
Right.
And especially if they're going to dismiss it upon payment. So if you pay today, it'll be dismissed today.
Right. That's what I was just about to ask you. So yeah, I'll just take the payment.
Unless you're going to say that you weren't smoking the weed in the car.
I'm an honest man. I was, sir. So I would just take the payment.
Can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
The whole truth, nothing but the truth.
All right, sir, you can put your hand down. Do you understand you have a right to a trial in this matter?
I do.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give that trial right up?
I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just told you in the record?
No, sir.
And sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention to May the 8th, 2021 at around 10:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 16827 San Juan. Did you have an occasion to be approached by the Detroit police on that day?
Yes.
Were you sitting in a was it a 2016 Dodge?
Yes.
And what were you doing in that Dodge, sir?
I was smoking.
And what were you smoking?
Marijuana.
All right. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty as charged, violation of the Marijuana Act. You understand that you can't smoke that stuff in public, even if you have a license to do so, or if you are not, or at least a doctor's prescription and or your recreational smoking. You can't, and you're lucky that this officer didn't take it a step further and could have potentially wrote you for a DUI.
Yeah, I do understand.
With stipulation of probable cause, counselor, I'm going to dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right. $240, sir. I told you I would dismiss it immediately upon payment, or I'll take it under a 3-month delayed sentence. When can you pay?
I'm gonna give you a date right now. October 1st is fine with me. That's 2 weeks.
That's a Friday.
Yep.
I won't be here then. October 8th, 2021. Pay by October 8th. If you find yourself in the position where you can't pay that by then, you're going to need to zoom back in, sir, and see if the court can find you some more time because I don't want you to lose the deal, and I don't want it to go into warrant status with all extra penalties and fees attached to it, all right?
Okay. So I can pay this online?
Online at 36districtcourt.org, any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come
Okay.
down and pay it.
Okay.
All right.
I can leave.
You can leave, sir.
Thank you.
This is the, let's see.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Who's that on the phone?
LeGrand.
All right. Wait 1 minute, Mr. LeGrand. You have the, I mean, you need to, do you have the insurance and registration and stuff for this vehicle current?
Yes, I do.
So you're on the phone, so there's no way that you need to get that to us. Is there any way you can zoom in?
No, I tried to download the Zoom app, and it was taking all day, so I don't think I got the data or something. But I'm down at the 36th district. Is there somebody I can show at the courthouse?
You want to go down there and see? You go down there? All right, you can meet my city attorney at the door down there and show him that you have proper plates, that you have insurance and registration.
You said show him where? Where I'm supposed to go?
He's gonna meet you at the front door of the courthouse. You need to show him proof of insurance, proof of registration, and proof that the plates are good on that vehicle.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
All right, let's call, all right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marcella Garcia Amiz Quantia. Did I get that right?
It's Amisquita. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. No worries.
This case numbers SP 1198144.
No, I'm supposed to show an attorney my paperwork.
It's difficult for me to hear you.
This is case numbers SP 1198144, counts 1, 2, and 3, and case number SP 1191501. Do you have any documentation? Well, let's just say this. The offer here right now is to plead to the expired plate. I'm gonna fine you $145.
So
And-
here's for the expired.
Let me finish what I'm saying. I'll fine you $145 and I'll dismiss the other 3 matters. If you have something that you need to say, you need to go through the attorney and I'll put you in a breakout room with him, okay?
Okay, that's fine. I do have something to say.
All right. Join the room, rejoin the room, Mr. Glenn.
Okay.
Bob,
That's Mr. LeGrand right there. Is it?
is Bobby there? Mr.
Yes,
LeGrand.
I'm here. Hello,
All right, what is your name, ma'am?
Bobby Grayeski.
Grayeski?
Yes.
Well, were you supposed to be here this morning or something?
No, I was supposed to. My ticket was supposed to be paid today, and I called in, and she told me to call and zoom in.
All right.
Right here. Okay.
Can you put the correct spelling of your name? Hold on, we'll get it.
Excuse me?
G
R-A-Y-E-S-K.
R-A-Y-E-S-K-I, Bobby, B-O-B-B-I-E.
Yes.
Bob Joe, J-O, Grayeski. All right, you haven't paid.
No, I haven't paid it yet. I was just seeing if I could get a little more time.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Bobby Joe Grayeski, case number SP 114364113. Ms. Grayeski, you owe $120. We entered into this agreement back in June the 11th, 2021. This is 3 months later.
Yeah, I know. I'm just getting back on my feet, and I started working for a construction company cleaning up now, and I thought I'd have it by now. I just had to catch up on my rent and stuff, but I should have it within a week, though.
All right, we're not gonna give you any more time, ma'am. You need to get this cleared up and put behind you. I'm gonna give you another 30 days.
Okay, thank you.
Pay by October 13th, 2021. Okay?
Okay, thank you. I'll have it paid.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record. Did we call the case of Christopher Lionel LeGrand?
No.
Let's call the case.
Yes.
This is the City of Detroit versus Christopher Lionel LeGrand, case number SP 1174082, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. LeGrand, my city attorney told me that you provided valid documentation now, and for that reason, I'm going to dismiss the matters. And if you don't have anything further, sir, you're free to leave.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day. All right. Well, how do you pronounce her name? Amistida?
Yes. As she said.
Is that
That's what she said.
I don't know if that's right.
That's how I wrote it.
Huh?
That's how I wrote it phonetically, so it sound like to me.
She's really fucking disappointed. Well, there they go. All right, let's go back on the record. And I'm probably gonna mess it up again with Mrs. Marcela Garcia Amasquita.
Yes.
I got it right?
Yes.
I want to get it right. Give it to me again.
It's Maricela Garcia Amasquita. So it was right.
All right, very well. All right, I've given you an opportunity to speak with the Mr. Glenn in the breakout room because you wanted to air out some of your grievances, and that's what he's there for. So I gave you the offer, expired plates $145, and the other matters are dismissed. So Mr. Glenn, you want to help us on how Mrs. Garcia Mosquito is going to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, William Glenn House Counsel. I've talked this matter over with my client, and she's going to plead responsible to the expired plates and have the other matters dismissed. Is that correct, ma'am?
That's correct.
All right, you got everything off your chest?
Yes,
Mrs. Garcia Mosquito, feel better now?
absolutely.
There we go. All right. All right, can you raise your right hand, please, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, we'll make this simple. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stop, Mr.
Yes,
Glenn?
Your Honor. So stipulated.
Okay. I'm going to find you responsible based on that stipulation to the amended count. No, I'm going to find you responsible to the expired plates. That's how it was written. I'm going to find you responsible as it was charged. And with the stipulation of probable cause, Mr. Glenn, I will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. That's $145, ma'am. When can you pay?
He said I would have 2 weeks.
Pay by October 4th. This really should be paid today, man, but pay by October 4th, 2021. If you find yourself in a position where you can't pay that on that date or haven't paid it on that date, you're gonna need to zoom back in and see if the court can find you some more time.
Yep, that's fine. October 4th is fine.
All right, there's nothing further. You have a great day.
Thank you.
All right, let's go to the gentleman that just zoomed in. What's your name, sir?
Yes, Christopher Lloyd.
Good afternoon to you. You're not on the docket either. So what brings you here, sir?
Actually, I just kind of received these notices. I totally forgot about my court date today. It was scheduled for
Spell your last name, please.
Lloyd, Lloyd.
What's your middle name?
Donald.
This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Donald Lloyd, case numbers SP 1097905, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 11307281.
Yes.
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
That's what I'm working on getting right now. I've paid all my tickets. I was in the courtroom about a month ago. I was ordered to take a class. I actually halfway completed that class, and I suffered a death in my family.
I can't hear you.
I said I was ordered by you probably a few weeks ago, maybe about 3 weeks ago, to take a defensive driving class.
All right.
And I did actually complete about half of it, but I suffered a death in my family, which is my aunt, and I've been helping with the funeral arrangement. I want to know maybe if I could get possibly like a week or less to kind of like complete this class, but I have done.
Oh, come on, Mr. Lloyd. Don't put it on your dead aunt. I'm sorry to hear about her passing, but we gave you 30 days to do this.
Right.
I'm going to give you some more time, but just come in and say more time.
Okay. Can I
That's
have
it.
more time?
That's all it is, right?
Right. You're right. You're
Sorry
right.
to hear about your aunt.
All right. Thank you.
And I hope, we'll pray for you guys for that.
Thank
And everything goes well with the services if you haven't had them already. When did she pass?
She actually passed away last Friday morning. I was actually at work. Me and my cousin, his mother, that was his mother. We worked together. She passed away maybe about 5 o'clock that morning.
So it's a pretty tight-knit family, huh?
Yeah.
All right. How much time do you need, sir?
A week, 2 weeks. I don't even need 2 weeks. A week, really. Because like I say, I actually have it halfway done.
All right, I'm gonna give you a week, and I say a week because I'm not gonna be here in 2 weeks. It'll be either 3 weeks after that.
And I still have your email information to email the certificate once I complete that class.
So you want the week or you want the 3 weeks?
No, I'll take the week.
September 20th.
Okay.
21. Send me that information, and you know the deal. Be prepared to have some spirited discussion about what you learned in that class.
Sure.
All right? All right. There's nothing further, sir. I'll see you back here at 8:30 a.m. on September 20th, 2021.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Right.
All right, Mr. Glenn, that seems like that's going to conclude the day.
Okay, Your Honor, you have a nice day then.
All right, you have a better one.
Nice working with you.
Have a great day.